The 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, front air conditioning, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, front wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.